premium California prunes. I use a very nice recipe, which is ribeye steak, also American beef ribeye steak, but the main thing, how to do this recipe with California prune sauce. So here I can divide with you. You can please share it, our recipe, and in the recipe also, in the another page you can find the Instagram California prunes and my Instagram also. Please be with us, and let's start with our nice recipe. But before we start, let's talk a little bit about prunes, about the California prunes. Why the California prunes? It's a premium because of the
benefits,
sunshine,
health benefits.
because yes, and a lot of benefits. It's a good source for the calcium. It's good for the
digestion,
good for also for Alzheimer. It's very nice.
it's a very good component
And good for
the bones.
skin.
And for the bones.
And the nice snack when we are watching some movie on the TV,
Definitely,
right?
very low sugar
Okay,
snack.
and very low sugar. So California prunes premium because there is a lot of steps to get like this quality. There is a machine which is shake the tree, and which is they are not touched with the floor, and they take into the basket to the tunnel, and washing, sanitizing, and they hydrate it with the tunnel, and they also separate with the size, and to get this very nice California prunes. So let's start with our recipe. Please, here we are going to heat the pan. The first step, need to sanitize, marinate the meat. Mr. Bassam is here also. So to get the nice taste meat, don't add too much of spices, just salt and pepper. So please here, and you start with a steak, and I start with to heat the pan to do the prune sauce because it's taking a little bit time. The first step that we are going to finely chop the shallots. So please, who don't have the recipe, they can take the recipe from here. There is the ingredients, and who need any, it's coming more hot, no problem. Can get the side, to put together, and we can add the prunes. Together. Yes, we keep for changing the color of the onion. And here in another side, because the couscous, there's a many way to do the couscous. But I give you very easy way how to do. Just make it like this. Season it, please. Here I add more prunes. And I will add with California prunes some butter, please. And now we increase the heat. Yeah, you season it. So now what we do, we mix it nice way with the oil. Okay? You can use the two hand to you can
You have zoom there.
yes. You can match it. So again and again, we can repeat the benefits of the prunes for the people who's joined with us now. California prunes is very good source for calcium, good for skin. And why it's coming big size? Because in California it's the sunshine and the hot and the heat in the California. That's why they're becoming in the big size. So here with the couscous, we are going to add beef stock. This much, and I will mix it and direct. I'm going to cover with a cling film. You can add a little bit more beef stock and cover it direct. So what happened here now, it will ready with a steam. We keep just until finish and you'll be ready. Here, I'm going to add the grape juice. And of course for acidity, we'll do this and this here. For acidity, we can add grape vinegar. If you don't find a grape vinegar, you can add white vinegar or any kind of vinegar to get the acidity and the balance. And it's nice, the mixed combination between sweet and sour and salt. So you can distribute more recipe because there is a lot of new people join. And here also we can add little bit of beef stock. So it will be nice. هذا الماكسيموم. Good. معلقة. No problem. Here I can add also the honey. It will take a little bit time to cook, to become soft. Again, we said the prunes is very good for digestion. Just 4 or 5 pieces you can soak in the water tonight and you can drink it every day in the morning. It will be very good for stomach. Ready? You can do that. Okay. Here, what we are going to do also.
You see the heavy there? You see the heavy there?
I want to do something else, which is not in the recipe, but I need to add finely chopped prunes together with couscous, so it will be nice. And for any question, please, if somebody need to see the video for the prunes or any question, just please come here to the next nice two ladies. You can ask any question that you want. Here, almost. Yeah, تيجي. تعسير. أنا ما يفعصوا معي. معلقة. Easy recipe. Any question until now? Everybody have a recipe? Good. Thank you for coming and see our demo. And here also we are going to be ready with the garnish for couscous. Finely chopped spring onion to break the color and giving nice taste.
Then you can go from there.
Yes, here we go. I want to taste the sauce. Looking amazing and smell wow. Yes. Nice. Steak up. Super. Steak are ready also?
Sure.
Good. Any question, ladies and gentlemen? Would like to taste the premium prawns? You can. Please. You can taste, yes. And see how it's the quality. Yeah, please. Sorry? No, without seed. It's seedless.
Seedless.
Yeah. It's premium. So, here, we are ready. So we cut the steak in a nice California prunes chopping board. Okay. What we are going to do, let's clean the place first. Yes, couscous. The couscous actually it's doing in many ways. We can cook in the steam, we can add with the water. The original way how to make durashi will become the best to making couscous of Tunisian. But to make easy recipe, so I choose this way.
Chef,
اعطيني طبق منها واحد
Chef?
فاضي.
the sauce now.
Sauce is ready.
Too thick.
Done.
Thick.
Yes, I need in this thickness. We can
Would you
add.
like to add some more tomatoes on this?
Yeah, we can. Yeah, if too much thick, like that, just add little of grape juice. Our sauce is ready and recipe also it's ready. Here we go to plate it. Our dish. When we plate also we can see for couscous. Couscous is ready, you see. Dora, give me the beef stock.
Need to add more?
1 minute. Yeah, we can add a little bit more. Keep in a deep, yes. And cover it.
Chef, done?
Done. And here, the rib eye also. It's ready. هلا خليها عندك انت. Yes.
I can see your
Here is our plate. Easy to do it. You like?
look like. You are master in that. Once we are doing, might be.
Thank you. So a little bit thick, I need to reduce, it's coming more thick. Ready? Super. Nice smell. Yes, we are ready. Any question? So please, if anybody they have any question, just you can go to this nice two ladies and you can ask any question. Thank you so much. This is our plate. And now everybody please don't go because we are distribute for tasting. Thank you. Okay, we are plated now. هذه هاي قطع الستيك هنيك. Yeah, go for plate, yes. Okay, this one keep looking for the rest. This. بدنا نمكسها صح. حطيها في ديك التنتين بالجلوفز. Yes. Hot? Too hot? Okay, so don't use your hand. So please, who need this recipe, you can take from this side. Yes.
Is that beef is halal?
Halal? Of
Yes.
course. Of course, halal. You are Dubai, man.
Oh, everything is available in Dubai.
Here in the Gulfood, it's everything is halal. Thank you, Durra. Okay. قطعة صغيرة الستيك ها. قربي لي الصحون هذيك لهون. ايوه. Continue like this. Yes, here we go. Yes.